Let's understand what are bases. The numbers which start with 1 and followed by n number of zeros are called base numbers. Bases are simply the powers of 10. For example, numbers like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Only these kind of numbers are known as bases. But if you notice these numbers, you will come to know that they are not bases because the base numbers don't have any other digit at the starting except 1 and are followed by only zeros. Let's know what are complements. Two numbers are said to be complements of each other if their addition gives the next nearest base. For example, consider the number 79. The next nearest base of 79 is 100. By adding 21 to 79, we get 100. So, the numbers 21 and 79 are complements of each other. Now, let's understand how to find the complement of any number. In Vedic maths, we use a simple formula, that is, all from 9 and last from 10, which means subtract all the digits from 9 and the last digit from 10. For example, if we have to find the complement of number 6547, then we'll subtract the digits 6, 5 and 4 from 9 and the last digit 7 from 10. Therefore, the complement of number 6547 is 3453. While calculating the complement of any number, you may come across three possible cases. Let's understand case 1. If 0 comes between the number, then consider the 0 as any other digit and subtract it from 9. For example, to find the complement of number 1065, we'll simply subtract the digits 1, 0 and 6 from 9 and the last digit 5 from 10. So, the complement of number 1065 is 8935. Now, consider another case where the numbers may include the decimals. So, if the decimal comes between the number, then use the same formula, that is, all from 9 and last from 10. Make sure that you don't change the position of decimal points. For example, to find the complement of number 106.45, we'll subtract the last digit 5 from 10 and all other digits from 9. By this method, we get the answer without disturbing the position of decimal point. Let's understand case 3, where the last digit is 0. For example, consider the number 6995740. To find the complement of this number, first of all, we'll keep 0 as it is. Then, we'll find out the last non-zero digit in this number, which is 4. Now, consider this 4 as the last digit and subtract it from 10 and the remaining digits 6, 9, 9, 5, 7 from 9. Thus, by performing subtraction, we get the answer.